ZAPTEST is proud to present new API load testing technology. The load component extends ZAPTEST functionality to enable performance testing of an API server infrastructure using standard ZAPTEST scripts. The load is generated by running multiple concurrent virtual users. The load can also be scaled up by using distributed load generating capacity. Users can define various load parameters, group steps into transactions, include multiple test scripts for complex frameworks, control parameterized test data distribution, and monitor performance statistics live. Comprehensive test results include data and graphs that help to reveal weak points in the system under test. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com.